Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a temporary email. I mean, how you can use a temporary email. So for that, you have to open Google Chrome or any browser. So for that browser, uh, you have to search on Google temp mail. Then you are going to have to go to this site tempmail.org. In here, they will generate a random email for you. So it is saying loading, so it has generated an email for me, as you can see. So you can copy this email and use it to do anything, like you can open a Facebook account or open a Discord account or do anything, as long as this email hasn't been already used to open something. So you can use this, and so when you use something, you can get verification messages and some other messages in here. And as long as you haven't cleared the cache or history of your browser, the email will you can use the email for yourself. But I will suggest you guys to not to use it in incognito tab, because in incognito tab, if you close the incognito tab, the email will vanish and you cannot find and use that email again. So that's how you can find a temporary email solution and use it for doing some things. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.